In this video, I'll show you how to block spam emails in Gmail. If you're constantly receiving unwanted emails, promotions, scams, or suspicious messages in your inbox, Gmail provides several built-in tools that can help you block spam and keep your account cleaner and more secure. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, locate one of the spam or unwanted emails you want to block. Open the email and look toward the top right corner of the message. You'll see the three-dot menu icon, also known as the More Options menu. Click on it to open additional email settings and actions. Inside the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Block, followed by the sender's name or email address. Gmail will then ask you to confirm the action. Once confirmed, all future emails from that sender will automatically be sent to your spam folder instead of appearing in your inbox. You can also report suspicious emails as spam directly from Gmail. To do this, select the unwanted email and click the Report Spam button at the top of the inbox. This helps Gmail improve its spam filtering system and reduce similar messages in the future. If you're dealing with promotional emails or newsletters, you may also notice an unsubscribe button inside certain emails. Clicking unsubscribe removes you from mailing lists legally supported by Gmail and can significantly reduce unwanted messages over time. Another useful option is creating Gmail filters. To do this, click the search filter icon inside the Gmail search bar. Enter the sender's email address, keywords, or phrases connected to the spam emails. Then click Create Filter and choose actions such as Delete It, Skip Inbox, or Mark as Spam. This allows Gmail to automatically handle unwanted messages before they ever reach your inbox. You should also avoid clicking suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown senders, since some spam emails may contain phishing attempts or malware. Gmail already blocks many dangerous emails automatically, but it's still important to stay cautious. If spam emails continue increasing, review your account security settings as well. Changing your password and enabling two-step verification can help protect your Gmail account from unauthorized access and reduce malicious email activity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block spam emails in Gmail. By blocking senders, reporting spam, unsubscribing from mailing lists, and creating filters, you can keep your inbox cleaner, safer, and much easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.